Good morning, class 9th. How are you? I hope all of you are very well at your home. I welcome to all of you on online learning platform. Okay. Now today we are going to start zeros of polynomial. This is very important term or topic of polynomial. Okay, first of all we will try to understand what is the meaning of zeros of the polynomial. Thereafter we will try to do some question of exercise 2.2. Okay, so let's start. Let's begin with an example. Consider a polynomial px is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Okay. Now, if you will replace the x with any integer like 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, etc., then let's see what will come as a result. If we will consider x is equal to 1 and put the value 1 at the place of x, then let's see what will come after calculation. So 5 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2, 5, 3, 8 minus 2, 4, and the result become 4. Now my question is कि 1 is the zeros of this polynomial or not? क्या 1 इस polynomial का ज़ीरो है? अगर है या नहीं है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में आंसर लिखकर सजेस्ट करें. So definitely if the result is not 0, so definitely the considered value is not the zero of this polynomial. Okay. Let's see the another example. So what is 1? 1 is the value of x and the result is value of this polynomial. Okay. Let's see another example. Suppose we are considering a polynomial px is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay. And suppose x is equal to minus 2, then see what will happen. If you will put minus 2 at the place of x, then you can see 2 minus 2 plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. If your result becomes 0, then that value is the zeros of polynomial. Okay. अगर आप x की ऐसी वैल्यू किसी पॉलिनोमियल में रखते हैं जिसको रखने पर पूरा रिजल्ट आपका ज़ीरो के बराबर आ जाए, तो वही वैल्यू उस पॉलिनोमियल का ज़ीरो कहलाएगा. ओके, आई होप कि आपको मेरी बात समझ में आ गई होगी. तो चलिए एक्सरसाइज 2.2 को करने की कोशिश करते हैं. एक्सरसाइज 2.2. Question number 1 ask find the value of polynomial. Okay. So as I told you, the difference between the zeros of the polynomial and the value of polynomial. Suppose if you will consider any value against x and then the result will any integer except 0, so that value is value of the polynomial. Okay, for example, question number 1 says if the polynomial px is equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3 and the first part is x is equal to 0. So first of all you should write this polynomial in standard form. You can write minus 4x square प्लस 5x प्लस 3. ऐसा मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि आपकी आदत बनी रहेगी, जब भी पॉलिनोमियल आपको मिले आप उसे डिग्री के इंक्रीजिंग और डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिख सकते हैं। तो जनरली हम लोग डिग्री के डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में पॉलिनोमियल्स को लिखते हैं। ओके, सो अभी हम लोगों ने चेक करना है वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल एट x इज इक्वल टू 0। सो वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल और वैल्यू ऑफ px एट x इज इक्वल टू 0। लेट्स सी, P0 इज इक्वल टू, जहाँ पर भी x है आपको 0 कंसिडर करना है, -4 0 का स्क्वायर प्लस 5 0 प्लस 3। सो 0 प्लस 0 प्लस 3 एंड योर वैल्यू बिकम 3। ओके, ट्राई टू डू rest part of question 1 and write the correct answer in comment box. Okay, now come for the next topic or next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 says find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following polynomial. So there are 4 polynomials have given in question number 2 and the value of x is given, x or y or any variable is given 0, 1 and 2. So we need to find P0, P1 and P2. अब यहाँ 0, 1, 2 की जगह कुछ वेरिएबल्स हो सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट वाले में देखते हैं, Py is equal to y square minus y plus 1. Now we are going to find the value of polynomial if y is equal to 0. चेक करते हैं, if y is equal to 0 then P0 is equal to 0 का square minus 0 plus 1. So definitely your answer will 1. Okay, at y is equal to 1. Now check, P1 is equal to 1 का square minus 1 plus 1. It is also equal to 1. Again check the value for P is equal to 2. At y is equal to 2, so P2 is equal to 2 का square minus 2 plus 1. So now you can see 2 का square 4, 4 minus 1 3. So like this try to do rest of the part of this question and write your answer in comment box. You can also solve on rough copy and take a snapshot of your calculation or solution and then send the snapshot on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number has given in description box. Okay. And one more thing I will request you, please like, subscribe my channel. Okay. One more part we will try to do. Let's see. Second part, PT. Okay. Second polynomial is Pt is equal to 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, so we can write in standard form also. तो ये भी ऑलरेडी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में, क्योंकि ये पावर के डिग्री के इंक्रीजिंग फॉर्म में. सो नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड P0, P1 एंड P2. इट मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. सो यहाँ पे हमने क्या रखना है, P0 इट मीन्स t विल रिप्लेस बाय 0. ओके, t जो है 0 से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा. चेक करते हैं, 2 प्लस 0 प्लस 2 0 का स्क्वायर माइनस 0 का क्यूब. सो सारा कैलकुलेशन के बाद आपका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, 2. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ गिवन पॉलिनोमियल एट P0 इज इक्वल टू 2. ओके, similarly the value of this polynomial at P1 is equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2, 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस 1 का क्यूब. चेक करते हैं रिजल्ट क्या आएगा आपका. 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel हो सकता है and 2 to 4. By the same way, you will try to do the rest part of this question. I hope you can do easily. Okay. Now come for the question number 3. Question number 3 says, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial and indicate or indicated against them. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में हम लोगों को वेरीफाई करना है कि दिया हुआ वैल्यू जो है, दिया हुआ वैल्यू x का क्या वो ज़ीरोज़ है या नहीं है. तो चलिए चेक करते हैं. इफ़ x इज इक्वल टू -1/3. Okay, so p -1/3 is equal to, what will we do for this? We have to replace x by -1/3. So 3 bracket में -1/3 plus 1. So 3 से 3 cancel. -1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can see the value of this polynomial becomes 0. Therefore -1/3 is the zeros of polynomial. So -1/3 is 0 of polynomial px. Okay. -1/3 is 0 of polynomial of variable x. I hope you understood. Similarly, we will try to find the next value. Either they are zeros or they are just the value. Second part, px is equal to 5x minus pi. So here x is equal to 4/5 has given. So definitely 4/5 आप समझ सकते हो कि ये zeros of polynomial नहीं होगा. कैसे? If you will consider x is equal to 4/5, then 4/5 minus pi, तो पाई को एज इट इज लिख सकते हो या 22/7, वो भी एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं होती है. So 5 to 5, so 4 minus pi. So 4/5 is not the zero of polynomial of the variable x. By the same way, you will try to do the rest part of the question. I hope you can find easily whether the given value of x is 0 or not. Okay. Try to do all this part and send to me the snapshot of the answer on my WhatsApp number, or you can write your answer in comment box. Thank you for watching.